Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today we're going to show you the Chaparral 2018. This is a mid-bunk model, 392. The Chaparral is one of my favorites because they're user-friendly. They evolved, as we went doing business with them and all that. You can tell the power awning right off the bat right there with outside speakers. Those are waterproof. TV mount right here for you. If you look at this, guys, look at this storage. This is huge. 2 doors side by side right there. This is a basement. Very impressive. About time somebody did something like that. Let's walk inside, and as we walk in, you can tell the aluminum steps. Those are an upgrade for this model. As we walk in, you're gonna see this nice, in a way, traffic flow between the kitchen and rear view right there for you with a couch. Lots of counter space right here. Impressive big fridge. That's nice for this size of a coach. Pantry is a big deal. We got one here for you, and this gives it like a hutch kind of look to it. Big convection oven that's comes in handy. We got this island right here for preps, what have you. This is a nice sink. This is stainless steel. Nice, stays clean throughout. Again, we got these 2 recliners right here. That's in the slide. There's a big slide here with a fridge in it and all. Easy to reach cabinets up here. And then, of course, we have this couch that turns into a bed. Most do. Again, easy reach here for more. LED lights throughout. Big, huge, nice TV. If you're a sport fan or a news fan, you get to utilize that. Nice fireplace. This is a wider model. Again, this is an ambiance kind of fireplace. Heat comes up from here for the electric heat, actually. Nice dinette. And as we walk in, this is your mid-bunk in here. Nice private room. People might use it for, what have you, maybe prayer or an office, or if somebody wants just their own bedroom. Lots of storage in here. We got a closet, of course. That comes in handy also. Again, easy to reach cabinets, TV mounts already there. Let's go up to the bedroom and show you this feature. As we walk in, you can see this bunk, in a way, bed right here with lights, venting, and window. It comes in handy again for more people to come in and enjoy. Nice shower, enclosed shower with a seat that, again, I keep saying, comes in handy. These guys know what they're doing. This light is auto light. That means, you walk in, comes on by itself. Again, you got cup holders around the bed, which is something really nice feature. I promise you, nice feature. And then this is slide right here. Look at that. Washer and dryer hookups, guys. Comes in handy if you decide you want to do something like that. Again, nice touches here with a window. God forbid that's your ex. But nice. Look at that storage. I like these deep drawers here. And again, let's go outside and show you more stuff. This is an aluminum structure, of course. They're happy and proud of the ASDL that helps out here inside for installations. As we walk out here, again, big, huge slide. Go around, we got the ladder. That means you can actually you can walk on the roof, but this is designed for you to check out any debris or, check on your roof, most important. And then look at that. You can put a bike rack or what have you on that hitch. Comes in handy. That's the rear view. That is so awesome about this coach. Again, another slide throughout. We have, of course, to mention that auto leveling right there. There's 6-point auto leveling on this. Look at those tires, the big, nice tires for a fifth wheel. Again, another slide. This is the other side of the coach. Your auto leveling is right up here, and you got your station right there. Your outside shower, and just push a button in a way. Pretty nice. All right. propane tank right there. There's two of them each side. Folks, thank you for watching this short video. Please give me a call if you have any questions whatsoever. 541-515-1237. Thank you.